Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options, how to allow and how to prevent settings app to display notifications on the lock screen in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone's settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down a bit to notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to tap the lock screen option, and now on this list we're looking for the settings. Here they are. So first of all, at the top we have one big button to enable or disable them all, and if we want a one specific setting, we need to tap each of these switches. For example, settings. Now settings won't display our notifications on the lock screen, and now it will. And that's all. Goodbye.